Well, here, while Matt's finishing up his caramel apple, we've got another eval that has to do with this Frosty blue lemonade. It's that shade of blue. See if I can open it. Kind of.
I've rarely ever seen blue lemonade. Usually you get like strawberry or pink lemonade.
There it is. And pour some when Matt's ready. And I'll pour some for myself. Put the cap on in case it flaps over. There. It's carbonated, and it you can kind of smell it a little bit, the blueness. This causes a Frosty blue lemonade. It shows it there with a straw and some whipped cream and a cherry, and it looks like a piece of lemon. And that's how they're showing it.
That was a great caramel apple. I'll get into your blue lemonade right now.
Way to go.
Down it went. I like it. It's like, tastes like blue Mountain Dew.
Not the smell of it and the look, and it's kind of cool. Looks cool, and especially on a hot day.
Yeah,
So
like you said,
it
it tastes very refreshing.
Frosty, which it is, and then they're calling it blue lemonade, and blue is what it is. The lemonade I don't taste too much, but it's probably there.
You're just tasting blue?
It's definitely more of a soda.
Yeah, it tastes blue. Yeah, more of a soda. It's carbonated. But it's a great
It's
deal,
sweet.
especially for warmer weather. Didn't mean to interrupt you. Go ahead.
Yeah, imagine sweeter blue Mountain Dew. That's the major impression I'm getting from this. Yeah, and fresh out of the fridge, it tastes great. So any other words about the blue lemonade, or because I got nothing?
I don't either. I was surprised that it's carbonated, but because I thought it would be like a lemonade-y, non-carbonated deal. But outside of that, it tastes great, looks great, and also there's no refills with this container. No refills, no rewards if you take it to Alaska and get 5 cents a bottle or whatever it is. Frosty blue lemonade.
Frosty, gotta be blue.
We did.
We did it perfect.
We did.
Yeah, I didn't want to say do the blue because I'm like, wait, that's way too on the nose.
Well, that the Madison Avenue is going to be calling us up. They need a couple of executives.